Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can borrow money from GCash. GCash has a lot of loan options for you, but in this video, we will only focus on GLoan. So first, let's open up your GCash app. Then on your dashboard, click on View All Services over here. Scroll down to Borrow. Click on that. Right here, you have four options to borrow from GCash. Let's open first the G loan on the top. So the credit limit may vary every account. In my case, I have 5,000 pesos credit limit. It is also payable in 6 to 9 months term with 4.99% monthly interest and 3% processing fee. If you want to loan using your G loan, just simply click Get Started below. Here, you can enter the amount, let's say 5,000 pesos. Then on the second step, you can see the amount you have to pay for 9 months, which is 755.06 pesos with 3.99% monthly interest. On step 3, you just need to input the purpose of your loan. You can choose on this drop down over here. After that, you can see the summary of your loan. Once you're done, just hit Get This Loan and there you go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.